Today, we want to configure an EIGRP protocol together. We are at R1 right now. Here's the EIGRP configuration. We write router EIGRP and its AS numbers at the end. Then we go through the nearby networks. Don't forget to use no auto summary instead of wildcard mask. We go for R2 configuration. We do the same as what we did at R1. Now we can see the adjacency notification. Let's configure R3 together. It's so simple and easy to understand. We're at R4 right now. We do the same again. Congratulations, your EIGRP configuration is successfully connected. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorial videos.